everyone. Welcome back to
This may or may not be a podcast.
Thank you.
And on the Hazel segment, I've got a question. A fashion.
The question was,
Yes.
why does one romanticize people they barely know?
Of course. I knew it.
I got kidneys.
Yes, I know. It's in different places.
Guys, listen. This is an attack of my character by Hazel. She gets these questions to push my buttons.
Because
Honestly.
this girl will
Honestly.
have full-blown relationships.
Yes.
With people that she has either she's maybe met once, and sometimes there's a whole wedding proposal, everything that is just...
Oh, I'm in a rocking chair with the dude and we have grandchildren running around in Montana.
Meanwhile, the guy doesn't even know about this.
No. He shouldn't know, because if he knew, what if he then decides he wants in on my fantasy, and then you ruin the whole fantasy? Hazel, it can never be as good as it is in your fantasies.
True, but let it be with somebody that you actually know, where there's a possibility that you could get together.